So, are you a family man or a family person? You want a car that you can still drive, you can carry your whole family and enjoy some good vibes, and also pull up to commits. And you know, people are like, hey, who is that? Who is that? So I have something for you. So with me is a Volkswagen Golf TSI variant R-Line. This 1.4 TSI R-Line makes a whooping 122 horsepower. I know some of you will say these are speculations and I'm lying. So let me show you some of the interesting features about this vehicle. First of all, the steering wheel looks like the one for the GTI. Looks very nice. The other features are the voice control. So let's say, for instance, FM mode. See, and it plays FM. Has lane assist, as adaptive cruise control, where you set it. This is where you set from. So you do that, adaptive, there it is. Adaptive, ACC, adaptive cruise control. And then using this, you can set it to the speed you want. If you want 40 kilometers, 50. When you're on the highway, it will maintain 60. Runs on a DSG gearbox as usual. If I'm not wrong, these are DSG 8-speed. Yeah, and then as an electronic parking brake. The feature comes with paddle shifters for going up and shifting down. So let us put it on and go check the hood. Let me show you what it looks like. So it comes with bucket seats, racing bucket seats with an R-Line logo. And one of the things that is pissing me about this 2016 VW is, how comes this is a 2016 vehicle and it's a Volkswagen and we're still into this? So this is the front view. Has some really nice adaptive LED headlights and some daytime running lights. So let me pop the hood and the R-Line badge here. This is how you can tell. Yeah, 1.4, very clean. Let's check the rear. So the rear is quite nice. Fabric seats, cup holders, and also you can access the boot from here, like that. Then AC as usual. The leg room, very nice. Remember, I'm 5'9", so the leg room is good. This is how it looks like from the back. And to pop the boot, you do that, then pull this up. A lot of trunk space where you can place a lot of things. So let me give you a small hack of determining if it's a 2.0 or a 1.4 liter. So if you see it has two dual exhausts, that means it's a 2 liter. But if you see it has one, that means it's a 1.4. So this vehicle is available and it's going for 2.25 million Kenyan shillings. So inbox me, I'm going to show you where you're going to get it.